Welcome to the Creativity course. I'm Dr. Thomas Steinert, and I am truly excited to guide you on this journey of unlocking your creative potential. I am a multi-certified coach, trainer for coaches and consultants, and an enthusiastic neuropsychologist. I know where most of the keys for unlocking hidden potential lie and how to unlock them. I am also a practicing therapist, guiding multinational companies and their leaders through challenges in our fast-changing environment. Therefore, I know. In today's fast-paced world, creativity is no longer just a nice-to-have skill, it's absolutely essential. Today's world is ever-changing and a complex environment. Creativity helps us to cope in this world by thinking flexible, breaking free from thought patterns, strengthen our personal growth and self-development, encourage you to start the exciting journey and enrich the world with unique ideas, highlighting the advantages of creative thinking in a fast-paced, innovative world. Whether you're navigating personal challenges, leading a team, or building something new, creative thinking can be the game changer that leads you to breakthroughs and success. This course is designed to help you harness that creative power inside you, no matter where you are in your personal or professional life. By the end, you'll have the tools to not only solve problems creatively, but also to inspire those around you. We offer a specialized treat for overcoming inner blockades in learning and life. And here is what you will get in this course and lecture, what you will get and learn in this course. Basic psychological aspects of creativity. Creating an environment that fosters psychological safety. Creative techniques for a creative mindset. Boost creativity in teams and at work. Strategies to overcome obstacles on your creative path. Integrate creativity in your everyday life. And I want you to find your creative self-confidence within you too. This encourages you to engage with your solutions and make them happen. Please tell me about your experiences. I am happy to hear about your very personal journey to creative growth. In today's rapidly changing world, creativity isn't just a nice-to-have skill, it's essential. Whether you're leading a team, working on personal projects, or navigating life's everyday challenges, creativity helps you think beyond the ordinary and adapt to new situations with confidence. Here's the exciting part. Creativity isn't just for artists or a select few. It's a skill that everyone can develop. By viewing creativity through this lens, we can see it as a tool for problem-solving, personal growth, and innovation in all areas of life. As we move forward, we'll explore how creativity influences our ability to think critically, adapt to change, and approach challenges with fresh perspectives. Today, we're starting with an understanding of what creativity really is and why it's relevant to everyone. For those interested in exploring creativity more deeply, I recommend Creative Confidence by Tom Kelly and David Kelly, which explores the idea of building creativity as a skill. It's an inspiring resource for developing your creative abilities. So, what exactly is creativity? At its core, creativity is the ability to generate new ideas and solve problems in unique ways. But it goes deeper than that. It's also about expanding our perspective and challenging conventional approaches. Creativity helps us break out of routine thinking, making space for innovation and change. The power of creativity is its versatility. Whether in technology, education, science, or personal life, creative thinking opens up new possibilities. And creativity is a very new way that you also solve inner problems in your life by looking at theme first from a new perspective and then identify and work on the inner blockers directly with an open mind. I tell you more about this later. Think of a teacher using creativity to develop engaging lessons or a scientist exploring new research methods. Creativity becomes a skill we can apply in any field. Approaching creativity as a skill shifts our mindset. It's not a talent reserved for a few. It's something we can all develop with practice. Let's take a moment to reflect. Think about a time when you solved a problem in a unique way, maybe at work or in your personal life. That's creativity at work. You don't need to be a painter or a writer to be creative. You just need to be open to exploring new approaches. If you'd like to explore the flexible nature of creativity further, consider The Creative Habit, Learn It and Use It for Life by Twyla Tharp. It's a powerful guide to understanding creativity as a learnable and adaptable skill. Let's talk about some of the common myths surrounding creativity. The first myth is that creativity is something you're born with. You've probably heard people say, "I'm just not creative," or "I don't have that kind of talent." But here's the truth. Creativity isn't just a gift. It's a skill that anyone can learn and improve with practice. Think of creativity like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. That's what this course is all about, giving you the techniques and exercises to strengthen your creative thinking. Another myth is that creativity is only for certain types of people, like artists, musicians, or designers. The reality is that creativity is a skill that everyone, regardless of profession or background, can use. Whether you're in business, engineering, education, or any other field, the ability to think creatively gives you a powerful advantage. You'll see that throughout this course, as we explore how creativity can be applied to a wide range of real-world situations. By challenging these myths, we're shifting our mindset to view creativity as an inclusive skill that we can all grow. To delve deeper into this myth-busting perspective on creativity, I recommend Out of Our Minds, Learning to be Creative by Sir Ken Robinson. Robinson offers valuable insights into the importance of creativity across all professions. Now let's dive into how creativity works in the brain. Creativity isn't just about sudden bursts of inspiration. It's actually a complex process involving two main systems, the default mode network and the executive control network. When you're daydreaming or letting your mind wander, your brain taps into the default mode network. This is where those seemingly random connections happen and ideas start to form. The executive control network, on the other hand, helps you organize and refine those ideas into something actionable. When these two networks work together, that's when creative breakthroughs happen. What's amazing is that you can actively engage these systems through specific exercises and techniques. In this course, we'll explore ways to activate your creative brain through activities like brainstorming, lateral thinking, and reflection. You'll also learn how to create the right environment to foster creativity, whether you're working alone or with a team. By understanding how your brain works, you can tap into your creative potential more effectively and consistently. Our brain is made of two hemispheres. Right hemisphere, creativity, intuition, imagination, and emotional processing system. Left hemisphere, logical thinking, analysis, and rational processes. However, both hemispheres are not separated and are working together. Neuroplasticity is the ability of the brain to change and adapt. Creativity comes from complex neural activities and connections. Creative thoughts can be erratic and unpredictable. Before we dive deeper into the course, I want to introduce you to three incredible guides who will accompany us on this journey: Emmy, Jason, and Carlos. They are not just presenters, they are carefully trained avatars designed to be the perfect guides for everyone seeking creative growth. Emmy is our expert in the neuroscience of creativity. She will take you on a fascinating journey through how your brain works when it comes to generating ideas and staying motivated. She intensifies and specializes on this from lecture to lecture. I've trained her to break down complex concepts into practical insights that will help you tap into your brain's full creative potential. Jason, on the other hand, focuses on the practical side of creativity. He's trained to show you how to turn your ideas into real-world solutions, whether you're working solo or leading a team. With Jason, you'll learn how to implement creative strategies, overcome obstacles, and lead with innovation. Carlos is special. He invites you to experience your very own personal creativity. He comes with exercises and challenges for you. Doing them will provide you with a rich variety of learning about what you like and dislike. Please take your likes as affirmations, and take your initial dislikes or feelings of discomfort as a challenge from him and me. This is a door for personal growth you can open. We'll tell you more about this later. Please be curious from now on. Together, Emmy, Jason, and Carlos are designed to guide you at every step, ensuring that by the end of this course, you will not only understand creativity, but also master it and apply it in your personal and professional life. I'm confident they will help you unlock your true creative potential. Thank you all for engaging with this exploration of creativity as a skill we can develop. We've begun to fully understand how creativity is not only a spark of inspiration, but a process that we can practice and refine. Now, as we delve deeper, Emmy will guide us through the fascinating science behind creativity, examining the brain networks and the importance of emotions that make this process possible. Before we continue, we'd like to extend our gratitude to Wikipedia for providing excellent, freely accessible material that helps us bring these topics to life. Wikipedia's Creative Commons licensed content supports open knowledge, allowing us to enrich our learning journey here. With that, let's pass it over to Emmy to take us into the neuroscience of creativity. After watching the lecture, let's check your understanding with a short lecture quiz. You'll see 5 multiple-choice questions, each with different answer options. Simply click on what you think is correct. But here's the catch. 3 correct answers will be right. That means if you score low, it's a great sign to go back and review the lecture video again. This helps reinforce key concepts and make sure you really get the most important ideas. So, take your time, think carefully, and let's get started. This was an important step you dived into with me. For those of you who want to achieve the Creative IQ Mastership certification, take a break and then use this link for passing the course quiz and send your results to Thomas at Creative IQ before receiving your certification diploma. Thank you all. I hope you all enjoyed this start. Enjoy the quiz. Enjoy, Emmy. Bye until soon.